I get this question from a lot of people. How do you mix a hot light or ambient light with a light from a strobe? It's very simple, as long as you remember this, that the light from your strobe is being seen by your iris, by your f-stop. And the light from a hot light or ambient light is being seen by your shutter speed. So let's assume you have your camera loaded with 100 ASA film. What you do, you measure your hot light or ambient light, and this is giving me f5 at a fifth of a second, and then you measure the light from your strobe. And this is giving me f8 at a fifth of a second. Now, you set your shutter speed at a fifth of a second, you set your iris to f8, and you'll get a proper exposure from your strobe. But at the same time, being the shutter at a fifth of a second, you'll get the hot light or the ambient light as well. Let's assume for a second that you want more exposure in your backlight, in your hot light or ambient light. You simply lower your shutter speed, leaving the iris at f8, because f8 is being seen as proper exposure from your strobe, whereas the back is being read or seen by your shutter speed. So you go to half a second instead of a fifth of a second, and you get more exposure in the back.